Hey guys, I know it's been a while, so I figured I'd give you a little walkity walk with me and I'll show you what my trees have been up to. Nothing in depth, just show you what they've been doing. And without any further ado, let's show you. Right here is one of my favorite trees here. My cut leaf Japanese maple here, and look at this, guys. I have some beautiful moss roses going here. One of my favorite things right now. I got that not that long ago. So, oh, check this out, dude. Dude, check this out. Yeah, check out this. This is my, what's it called? Mission Olive is going crazy. But right now I decided I think I need to bring it in the house because it's getting a little bit chilly. So that's what we're going to do with that. Then I was so happy to discover that my bleeding hearts survived. I'm not really a flower guy, but bleeding hearts are alive. And my ditch irises survived. The trees I had for sale don't look so hot right now, but you know, everything's cold and you know, I'll bring them back. They'll look better. These are some of my indoor trees that I didn't bring in yet. And some of my little catalpas that are just kind of going to sleep. Things are going to sleep down here. But my kids love little Siberian elms because they're so easy to grow. Then we got my coastal redwoods here. They're doing great. I love it. Got a little blue star juniper that I've been slowly playing with. And I got a couple of black locusts. I can't wait until they get thicky and get thorns. These are my little catalpas that are going to sleep now. Hope you can see that. Now I have ideas for this one. I'm gonna do my own version of Craig Nadoon from Outlander. I think I'm gonna use that one. Look at this. So beautiful. Look at the trunk on that one. So crackly and pretty. Yeah, at least in my opinion. My catalpas, I love them. They're getting really pretty. A lot of movement. Some oaks, maples. I have a little, I call them the siblings for very, obvious reasons. This little ash. Everything's doing well. See, this one right here is all green. I'm not exactly sure what it is. I think it's a little apple. I'm not sure though. We'll have to figure that out. Sitting amongst more ash trees. Look at that. That's one of my honeysuckles. Finally really getting what it deserves. Some good hanging out time. It got attacked by some aphids, but it made it through. It's like, it's the king of the hill. The penny royal. It shocks people every time they touch it, and then they smell their hands, and it's so pretty. This is the tiger's eye sumac. Said, time to go to sleep. All my willows. I'm so proud of this one. Like, got a lot of work to go still, but that was a stick at one time. This one has had a long road, and it's still going now. Bonsai can be trying at times. See, these are two types of redwoods. This is a great and sequoia, and this is the coastal redwood. California coastal redwood. I love my trees. Life would not be the same for me without my beautiful trees. Got some dying happening right there. But that's willows for you. There's a little Japanese maple. These one, see, got a tree of heaven, another tree of heaven that I'm working on, and then another tree of heaven. Then an apple tree with another a black locust in there. And this is like my little conifer corner. I just made that up. Conifer corner. Kind of corny too, but whatever. Deal with it. Alright. Conifer corner now. Alrighty, folks. So that's pretty much what's going on for Mr. Leslie and Leslie Bonsai Gardens right now. So we're going into some colder weather. Things are slowing down. I have trees in the house, and here in another video I shall show you what I have grown in the house, because that's an entirely different thing. So yeah, I got them all moved over, and now all these beautiful little trees are slowly going to be going to sleep, doing their little chilling in their chilling hours. But some of these will stay awake because that's just what they do. Anyways, thanks for hanging out, coming and seeing what Mr. Leslie has to show you. If you have any questions, comments, feel free. And if you're so inclined, hit the like and subscribe button. Alright. Have a wonderful day. Peace out, dude.